important and it needs to go through your entire day. And you should have that connected to your Facebook stories. So then it's kind of crossing over at the exact same time. That will save you time to do it. You guys also have the ability to, from your business page, to add a link to your Facebook stories, to send somebody to an exterior page, right? So if you learn more on your Facebook page, takes you to your website, you guys can use your stories to drive traffic there. So just simply hit that little link button in your Facebook stories, and the learn more button will be added there, or see new property now, or whatever you want it to be, it'll be added right there. You will slowly see a transition of stories becoming Instagram and stories becoming Facebook. The feed eventually will go away.
Okay.
It's just eventually going to happen. It's going to become stories, you know, and that's their job. Their job is to sell you to the point where this is never gone. Just like when you boost a post, right? Like, again, we've talked about this, like boosting posts, it's Facebook's job is to sell you every day. $20 for your ego. Hey, Jill, this post is doing better than 85% of your other posts. You put 20 bucks behind it, potentially it could reach 3,800 people. Now as a real estate agent, you're like, fuck yeah, 20 bucks, who gives a shit? Put the 20 bucks in, you hit boost post, nothing happens. Then all of a sudden, you get another notification. Hey, if you add $5 though, it could reach 7 to 8. It's only $5. Psh. Same thing, right? So we're hope marketing. Instead of like doing the things that we really need to do, like creating really good campaigns in Business Manager, making sure that our pixels are on our websites correctly so we can track the traffic and the ads that we're running and create custom audiences and lookalike audiences to then advertise to those people, so we keep our funnel filled up and we're constantly selling houses and we're constantly closing mortgages and we're constantly creating relationships with real estate agents as mortgage people to do deals, right? And then creating relationships with title people and things of that nature. That's the right way to do it. And that's why you should hire a firm to do it for you. Unless you're gonna go figure it out on your own, which you can by going into YouTube and going, how do I place a Facebook pixel on my website? How do I run ads on Facebook? It's real simple. It's whether or not you want to self-educate yourself to the point of being able to do it yourself. And hold yourself accountable for the results. Or hire somebody and hold their ass accountable. Be like, why the fuck did I only get 30 leads last month? I want 100 so I can close 30 houses and be a winner every month, right?